the common adage goes, the future of a country lies in the hands of its children. As mentors, teachers can mold the students into future leaders, shape the destiny of the country. They help us to become a good human being, better member of the society, and an ideal citizen of the country. Teachers' Day is observed to acknowledge the challenges, hardships, and the special role that teachers play into our lives. Hats off to the teachers who are trying tooth and nail during this pandemic to deliver their best and stay connected with their children. Now let us see what Rizal has to say about this special day. Over to Rizal.
I came to your class to learn and to grow. But what has touched me most is the love you have shown. Today, 5th of September, we celebrate Teachers' Day, a day kept aside to honor these gifted souls who work every day to make sure the future is bright for all of us. This day is actually the most beautiful opportunity we got to convey our wishes to our teachers. We celebrate 5th of September as Teachers' Day every year in India. This day marks the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, second President of India, who was also a great scholar and an excellent teacher. Teachers are backbone of our society. They have the greatest share in shaping a student's personality. They are even greater than a parent. They just not teach us curriculum but also motivate us, guide us at every step and help us become a better person. Moreover, in these tough times, teachers have left no stone unturned in providing education. There are teachers who are not comfortable with technology. Still, they are giving their 200% to us. They are truly noble souls and deserve respect. So this Teachers' Day, let us spare some time to thank them, express our gratitude and love for them. At last, I would like to wish all my teachers a very happy Teachers' Day and thank them for everything. Thank you.
Very well said. Teachers are the source of light in the world. It has been darkened due to ignorance. They improve our skills, they grow our confidence, and they definitely deserve our love and affection. These tiny tots have their own ways to express that how they love their teachers.
I want to dedicate this song to you because you care for me. With you I feel safe and secure, you really care for me. If something happens in the class that brings me down and makes me sad, you're there for me. And when I'm stuck and don't know what to do, you're there to guide me. La 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 la, la 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 la, I love my teacher. La 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 la, la 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 la, I love my teacher. I wake up in the morning and I know it's gonna be another fun day. There's not a day that passes by when you don't throw me a smile. I like the way you get so excited about the things you're gonna teach us. And every day is different 'cause we're learning more and more about life. La 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 la, la 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 la, I love my teacher. La 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 la, la 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 la, I love my teacher. La 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 la, la 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 la, I love my teacher. La 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 la, la 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 la, I love my teacher. Special in their own little way. That's what you keep telling us.
Teachers are likely never been appreciated by students as they are right now during this pandemic. Their love for teachers has undergone happen when the actual classrooms are being converted into the virtual ones. Students from class 1 and 2 are here to express their love for their teachers. So here we go.
We love you, teachers. We praise you, teachers. We thank you, teachers, for everything. We love you, teachers. We praise you, teachers. We thank you, teachers, for everything. सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन। सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन। We love you, teachers. We praise you, teachers. We thank you, teachers, for everything. इस जीवन में पढ़ना लिखना हमको सिखाए हैं। अनसुलझे सवालों को पल में सुलझाए हैं। डांटे या डराए हमको आंखों से, प्यार झलकता है उनकी हर बातों से। डांटे या डराए हमको आंखों से, प्यार झलकता है उनकी हर बातों से। सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन। सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन। We love you, teachers. We praise you, teachers. We thank you, teachers, for everything. हमसे अगर हो कोई खता आप सुधारे हैं। हमें अगर हो कोई कला तो आप निखारे हैं। माना कि हम कल बड़े हो जाएंगे, आप हमेशा यूं ही याद आएंगे। माना कि हम कल बड़े हो जाएंगे, आप हमेशा यूं ही याद आएंगे। Teachers, we praise you, teachers. We thank you, teachers, for everything. We love you, teachers. We praise you, teachers. We thank you, teachers, for everything.
Teachers play a very crucial role in the lives of students and in nation building. As a student, it's our duty to thank them. And Teachers' Day give us an ideal opportunity to do so. The small little children have their own way to extend their gratitude. Let's have a look.
उम्मीद वाली धूप, सनशाइन वाली आशा, रोने की वजह कम है, हंसने के बहाने ज्यादा।
अरे टीचर कहाँ है?
मुझे क्या पता,
ढूंढ के लाना।
तू सिंसियर है, तू जाना।
ओ सॉरी सर।
It's okay.
गुड मॉर्निंग
Good morning. Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Now give your attendance. Savai,
Present, sir.
Jen,
Present, sir.
Ritik,
Present, sir.
Sandeep,
Present, sir.
Divanshu.
Present, ma'am. Sorry, sir.
Okay, bacha, these mistakes happen. Now submit your projects.
अरे यार मिल जाएगा.
Wow. Very good. This is excellent. What is this, Devansu? Again mistake.
Sorry, sir.
Class!
Class! This is what you do in the absence of teacher? Disgusting class! I won't teach you, shameless fellows!
ले जा थोड़ा बर्फ पे कितने भेजा सॉरी ले जा माफी दे जा हमको फ्री 1 2 3 सारी 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 पकड़े ये दोनों कान क्या सारी 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 बच्चे की लोगे जान क्या सारी 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 महंगी है एक मुस्कान क्या
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Now move to chemistry lab. And students, be careful. Don't mix sodium with.
मैंने न ये जाना कहीं कोई अफसाना
अरे आज तो बास्केटबॉल खेलेंगे. नहीं वॉलीबॉल.
हम तो क्रिकेट से ही काम चलाएंगे.
नहीं फुटबॉल खेलेंगे.
अरे अपन तो वॉलीबॉल खेलेंगे, तुम मेरी टीम में रहना.
मैं तो फुटबॉल में इंटरेस्टेड हूँ. आई विल नॉट प्ले.
अरे चलो 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 चलो
चलो चलो.
Wait. We are not going to ground due to heavy rain and your exams are coming near. Better study.
छन से जो टूटे कोई सपना जग सुना सुना लागे जग सुना सुना लागे कोई रहे ना जब अपना जग सुना सुना लागे जग सुना सुना है तो
भूख लगी भूख लगी भूख लगी भूख लगी भूख लगी जोरों की भूख लगी.
चौक चांदनी चौधरी ढाबा रात दिन यहाँ शोर शराबा. चौक चांदनी चौधरी ढाबा रात दिन यहाँ शोर शराबा. आधा है नॉन वेज और वेज है आधा. स्पष्ट कीजिए क्या है इरादा. चाहिए नान या रोटी चाहिए रान या बोटी मंगा लो राम कसम कष्ट हो जाए. थोड़ी बिरयानी बुखारी थोड़ी फिर नल्ली निहारी ले आओ आज धर्म भ्रष्ट हो जाए. दे किचन से आवाज चिकन कुकड़ू को तेरी भूख का इलाज चिकन कुकड़ू को यही कहता है आज चिकन कुकड़ू को खाली पेट का इलाज चिकन कुकड़ू को. दे किचन से आवाज चिकन कुकड़ू को तेरी भूख का इलाज चिकन कुकड़ू को यही कहता है आज चिकन कुकड़ू को खाली पेट का इलाज चिकन कुकड़ू को.
Sit down.
Sin squared theta plus cos squared theta is equals to 1. Now repeat.
If sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 beta, then cos square theta minus sin square theta equals to cos 2 theta. 1 plus 1 equals to 11 नहीं होता बेटा. बाकी सब्जेक्ट्स में हम कुल बस मैथ्स में डब्बा गुल गुल गुल. मैथ्स में डब्बा गुल, मैथ्स में डब्बा गुल, मेरा मैथ्स में डब्बा गुल, मैथ्स में डब्बा गुल. Oh dear Newton Einstein, how could you find it good? मैथ्स में डब्बा गुल, मैथ्स में डब्बा गुल, मेरा मैथ्स में डब्बा गुल, मैथ्स में डब्बा गुल.
अरे ये तो फ्री पीरियड है. अरे अरे चुप हो जाओ, ये तो इंग्लिश का पीरियड है.
धीमे धीमे slowly slowly I'm learning सीखो वीखो नई जुबान. धीमे धीमे slowly slowly I'm learning सीखो वीखो नई जुबान.
अरे टीचर्स डे है.
हाँ, परेशान तो बहुत कर लिया.
नाउ लेट्स शो देम
That we have a genuine feelings for them.
We love you teachers, we praise you teachers, we thank you teachers for everything. We love you teachers, we praise you teachers, we thank you teachers for everything. Sachin से करते हैं अपने आपको नमन, आपको नमन. सच्चे दिल से करते हैं आपको नमन, आपको नमन. We love you teachers, we praise you teachers, we thank you teachers for everything, for everything, for everything.
गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वराय गुरु साक्षात परम ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. सच ही तो है, नन्हे से
लड़खड़ाते हैं हम, थाम लेते हैं कि वो खो जाए राह तो राह रोशन करते वो. कभी मुस्कुराते हैं वो, कभी गुस्सा करते हैं वो. हमें है यकीन हमसे प्यार करते हैं वो. दिए की ज्योति सीप में मोती, ये दुनिया इतनी हसीन ना होती. हम में भी सलीका ना होता, जीने का तरीका ना होता. ओ टीचर तुमसे ही पाया है सभी, ये भूलेंगे ना तुमको हम कभी. छोटे छोटे हाथ, छोटे से पाँव थे, नन्ही सी आँखों देखा था तुम्हें, न था मालूम कि तुम्हें तो दोगे पहचान.
Undoubtedly, we all are missing school. The bell for assembly, the sports period, the merrymaking with friends, the uniform, the punishments, the recess. We are hopeful. The good time will be back soon. For the time being, let's try to live those moments through a presentation.
Go beside me, take my hand and guide me your way. Teacher, when you see me giving up, teach me how to stand up again. Thank you for all that you have done, and thank you for all you do. I've been molded by your hands, so thank you, teacher. We are still the young ones, but we won't be the young ones for long. Teacher, take me out and find me. When you're outside me, I'm strong. When I'm old and wiser, I'll remember you. Promise I'll grow stronger at the thought of you. Thank you for all that you have done, and thank you for all you do. I've been molded by your hands, so thank you, teacher. See the good inside me, take my hand and guide me your way. Teacher, when you see me giving up, teach me how to stand up again. Thank you for all that you have done, and thank you for all you do. I've been molded by your hands, so thank you, teacher. We are still the young ones, but we won't be the young ones for long. Teacher, take me out and find me. When you're outside me, I'm strong. When I'm old and wiser, I'll remember you. Promise I'll grow stronger at the thought of you. Thank you for all that you have done, and thank you for all you do. I've been molded by your hands, so thank you,
An ideal educationist builds the spirit of creativity, moral leadership, inquiry among students and becomes their role model. Now I request our role model, our respected principal ma'am, to say a few words on this special day.
Warm greetings everyone. The teachers play a strong role to make the children charismatic adults. For it, they not only touch their mind but also nourish their soul for a lifetime. That influence is a rare privilege to be gratified for. So my dear children, always respect your teachers, mentors and value them. Dear teachers, your efforts are well recognized during this pandemic time, and it is well acknowledged also. Whole community is there to salute you for all your contributions. Thanks for that. Stay in high spirits always. Happy Teachers' Day.